Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am really excited. I'm finally revealing my kids kits. They're called Crafty Kids. And so I was waiting on an item that was missing from my kit to come. Unfortunately, the extra ones I had ordered because I wanted to do samples for you, but they did not come in yet. And so I'm just going to go ahead and reveal the kits. I don't have a sample for one of the crafts, but it's pretty easy. And then I'll be doing little videos for each one of the crafts. So without further ado, let me go ahead and get started on this for you. The kits come with 4 crafts, and they include for Easter, spring, Mother's Day, and just a fun little craft. So anyway, the kits are going to be $30 shipped. For my YouTube family. Once I list them in my shop, they will be $30 plus shipping. So they come with everything you need to put every little craft together. So I'm really excited about it. So let me show you what's in the kit. So in the kit, you're going to get everything that you need to put everything together. So you're going to get a tube of tacky glue. You're going to get a bottle of paint. Now, it could be yellow or it might be another pastel color, but you're definitely going to get a bottle of white, and you're going to get a bottle of Mod Podge. You're also going to get a paintbrush. So, and for the crafts, the first one is a little Easter craft. So you're going to get a canvas, and you're going to get the wooden Easter egg, and you're going to get an assortment of straws. Now, they all vary in color and stuff, but you will have enough to complete this project, plus probably some left over. And this project is a little wall art frame. It looks like this. It is so cute. And my 10-year-old did this one. But basically, you glue the straws onto the egg, you paint your canvas, and you glue straws to the canvas. It just makes a cute little frame for Easter. Okay, so that is one of the crafts. And then the other one is a little bookmark that these were sent, and they're really cute. You just color them. It comes with the bookmark, and it comes with the little hanger to it. And then the other spring craft I thought is really fun. I thought a good way to introduce kids to really some crafting is to do some Mod Podge. And this is fairly simple to do. This is the one that I don't have a sample to, but you have a chipboard flower and some beautiful napkins. And there again, napkins may vary too. And so you just Mod Podge this onto here. And then you have a little clothespin that kids are going to glue onto here. And then they're going to have a picture frame. Kind of like what I made for Valentine's Day, if you sang that craft. But it comes with this. That's what the Mod Podge is for. And it comes with a napkin, it comes with the chipboard, and it comes with the clothespin. So that is another craft. And then another thing that it comes with is the Mother's Day card. And this is what it looks like. And this comes with all the pieces to make the cardstock, and an envelope. And this is the card. Isn't it cute? And then this slides up like this, and it has a little poem written on it for Mother's Day. And then the kids personalize the inside of it themselves. And I just thought this was really darling. But it comes with everything you see here. The foam piece that says Happy Mother's Day, flowers, flower centers, the ribbon, and the little bow already tied, and it comes all in here. And then I have the typed up little card for each and every one of them. And like I said, the cardstock has already been scored and everything, and the envelope. So you're getting quite a lot in this kit this time, because I'm only doing them, like I said, once every 3 months. And so you're going to be able to make a card for Mother's Day, and then a little picture frame. This is a flower. You have a little bookmark activity. And then you have the little Easter activity with the frame, the canvas. And this is stretch canvas as well. the little wooden egg, the straws. You're going to get 2 paints. You're going to get Mod Podge. And you're going to get the tacky glue and a paintbrush. And so these are the activities this month. It's $30 shipped. So really, I'm only asking like $24 for or $23 for the kit this month because a little bit has to go for shipping in there. And the proceeds for this kit, for the spring kit, are going to the National Children's Suicide Prevention Hotline, which is a charity that I'm working for this trimester at the beginning of the year. And you all know, if you've seen my subscriber giveaway, that's what part of that too. So all proceeds from this kit will be donated to the National Suicide Prevention for Children. And I'm really excited about it. I hope you'll be excited about the kit as well. And if you're wanting to get a kit, please go through PayPal and do friends and family only. If you would like me to invoice you, it's going to be a few dollars higher because I have to pay a fee. And because I am not getting any profits from this, I would have to pass that fee along to you. So if you'll do friends and family, and in the little note section, just put on there Crafty Kids Kit. And I will be shipping any of those out over the weekend that are bought on Monday. And then if you purchase them before Wednesday, they will go out on Wednesday. And then on Friday. My shipping days are Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. All right, gang. Thank you so much for supporting me in all of this. I'll just remind you again of what the little kits look like, except for this one right here. And I didn't color the bookmark. But they just come with a lot of different things in here. And I'm really excited about putting them together. And I'm super excited about the summer kit that's going to be coming out. And it's going to be Father's Day and a little summer craft. And it's also going to have a little back-to-school craft in there for the kids to do, for them to take back to school with them. So I'm really excited about that. So that's already been worked on. And that kit will come out at the end of probably the middle of May. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember this kit is for charity, as all my kits will be. That is how, that's why I started Crafty Kids, as a way to be able to donate to kids, different children's charities and stuff. All right. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful, blessed day, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.